Hello and welcome to another GoodX web training session. In this video we will show you the basics of the script screen. To start off, you can access the script screen from either the diary or the debtors tab. But for the purpose of this video we will be using the diary. You can either click on the clinical button on the booking itself or click on the clinical button in the diary side panel. Take note that your clinical button's description on the booking may differ from the video, as this can be changed in your settings. The clinical case screen will pop up with your active script form. In the top right corner you will see a short list of the patient's allergies and chronic diseases. When you click on the allergies and chronic diseases section, you will be able to see more detail including the patient's general health. Underneath you will see a list of all the dependents of the debtor linked to this booking. The dependent that is highlighted is the patient that is linked to this booking. The Select Case dropdown is where you can select the case linked to this booking. Click on the New Case button to add a new case to the dropdown, and as a result, this will be linked to the patient's profile as one of their cases. The Discovery Health ID button will redirect you to the Discovery Health IDs link. This is a tool that can help doctors by providing information of the patient such as their medical history, electronic health records, and health plan benefits information. This is a quick view of the patient's details. Easy Events is where you can find different clinical event buttons, of which upon selecting one will quickly add a new form, such as script, to the booking. Underneath that, you will find the Forms Library drop-down that will show you a menu of other events that can be added to the booking. Active forms are all the forms that are linked to the patient's booking. The Email All button will email all the forms to the debtor/patient. The yellow Copy button will copy the selected form. The red Trash Can button will delete the selected form. On the left-hand side of the screen you will see the form that is currently selected in the Active Forms area. At the top of the screen you will see the details of the event, such as the patient name, the treating doctor, as well as the date of the event. Right underneath the event details you can find the status panel of the form. Incomplete status will display the form in yellow in the Active Forms area. The Complete button will display only if the event status is incomplete. Click this button to complete the event. Completed status will display the form in green in the Active Forms area. The Reopen button will appear after clicking on the Complete button and will only display if the event status is completed. Click on this button to reopen the event for further completion. Below the status panel are buttons that can be used during the scripting process. Next you will see the Script Items section. Then you will see the Script History section when the inline history setting is switched on. Doctor's signature is an electronic signature from the doctor that the information is correct. Click on the plus to add it. The As Informed by Patient is a reference from the patient. The patient has explained to the doctor what is wrong with him. Once the checkbox has been ticked, you will be able to add a patient signature. Floating at the bottom of the screen you will see the Lock, Email, Print, Download, and Collapse/Expand All buttons from this form. If you click on the Lock button, an attention pop-up will appear warning you that this action will permanently lock the form for all users, making editing impossible unless you make a copy of this form. The Collapse/Expand All button will either close or open all the events. The Save and Close button will save and close the clinical case screen.